Hi, first graders. I'm Miss Ball, and I teach first grade at Roosevelt Elementary, and I'm here to play another math game with you today. Today's math game, we'll be working on the strategy that says, I can fluently add and subtract within 10. So the word fluently means quickly and efficiently and flexibly. It doesn't mean we have to memorize our facts to 10, though that does happen naturally as we become more efficient mathematicians, but it means that we're flexible and we can use a variety of strategies to be able to solve our facts to 10. So today's game is called Make 10, and in this game you would need a deck of cards. If you're watching on TV, you can watch to see how to play, and you can play the game later. If you're watching at home on YouTube, you can pause it at any time and play along with us. So you'll need a deck of cards, and I've removed all the face cards. If you don't have a deck of cards at home, you can make one. Just write the numbers 1 through 10 on pieces of paper and then make a couple sets so that you have enough to play with today. So to get started, let's warm up. Let's practice our numbers to 10 by playing a quick game of I have, you need. So here I have 10. I'm going to break some off. Now I have 5. How many do you need to get to 10? Go ahead and shout the answer out or tell somebody nearby. Good. 5 and 5 makes 10. All right, now I have 8. How many do I need? 2. Now I have 1. How many do I need? 9. Now I have 4. How many do I need? 6. So this is a game you can play at home. You can play with using pennies or pieces of cereal or anything that you could use and cover up part of them and ask how many you would need to get to 10. So 10 is a friendly number, which is why we practice this so often. Knowing a 10 helps us be efficient adding numbers that are above 10. So for example, if I want to be able to solve 8 plus 6, I know if I give 2 from the 6 to the 8, that makes a 10 because I know my 10 facts. So then I have 10 plus 4, and that's a friendly number. I know 10 plus 4 is 14. So that's why we practice our 10s so often. What numbers go together to make a 10? And it's fun to be able to play games, to be able to practice these strategies. So my friend Tundra is here today, and Tundra is going to help me teach you how to play Make 10. I'm going to lower this down so you can see in front of me. So with my deck of cards, I will flip over, and I want to try to see if I can make 10. If I get a 10, I can take it right away. If I don't, I can ask the question, how many do I need to get to 10? So I have 9. I need 1 more to get to 10. And you can always use your tools to help you with that. So you can lay out 10 pennies and help you be able to see which combinations you need to go to make a 10. So I have 1, or I need 1 to make 10. So it's Tundra's turn. Tundra's hoping to get that 1. Oh, Tundra got a 6. 9 and 6 does not make 10. So we can't take any cards. My turn. I got a 10. So I can just take this 10. 10 and 0 makes 10. So this goes in my pile. Tundra flips and gets a 3. Tundra, do you see any combinations that make 10? Tundra knows 6 and 3 only makes 9. So Tundra cannot make a 10 yet. Let's see. I got a 1. I know 1 and 9 makes 10, so I'm going to take these 2 cards and put them in my pile. Tundra flipped over a 2. Tundra, are there any ways to make 10? Not yet. Let's see, my turn. I have 4. I know 6 and 4 make 10, so I'm going to take these 2. All right, Tundra's turn. 5. Oh my goodness, Tundra sees that there's a way to make a 10. Tundra knows 3 plus 2 makes 5, and 5 more makes 10. So all 3 of these cards go together to make 10. You can take more than just 2 cards if you can find a way to make a 10 using 3 cards. Remember, the goal of the game is to get as many cards as you can, so that's a great strategy. So we would continue to play until we are all out of cards in our deck, and then we would count up our piles to see who has the most cards and who wins. So the goal of this game is to become quick and efficient with our numbers that make 10. When you're playing this with a partner or grown-ups, if you're playing this with your child, you can ask the question, which card do you want to get, to have people be thinking about which card comes next or what they're hoping to get to make that 10. And another thing you can do to change up the game is to play how many to get to 20. So you can practice getting to that next decade after 10 to try to change the game up a little bit. And you can even add in more number cards if you want to add in like 11, 13, and 14. You can use those numbers as well. So thanks for playing and with watching today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.